Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing an unboxing. I think these are my favorite videos to film and to publish. It's just, it's like Christmas every month. So today we are unboxing my LookFantastic box. And what do you think about this box? It looks kind of chic to me, with the gold and the black. I really enjoy it. So let's just go ahead and dive right into it. So as we open the box, we get our booklet and we also get a complimentary copy of the magazine. And let's open up the box and see what our first product is. So the first product that kind of comes out onto me is the Filorga UV Bronze After Sun Nutri Soothing Tan Booster Gel. It contains a tanning stimulator and it is DHA self-tanning agent free. So it does not contain any self-tanner, which is cool. And also it contains 4 nutritive oils and it is to be used on the face and body. So this is how the product looks. Quite cool. I really actually like that. I'm definitely going to put it in my travel pile because having a product for after sun to be used on your face is actually really cool, because I don't have that sort of product. And since I'm going to Gran Canaria in 2.5 months. Geez, no, wait, is it 2.5 months? No, it's a month and a half. Oh my goodness, the time has flown. Since I'm going there, I'll definitely get some use out of it. So this is actually pretty cool. The next thing that we have is the SVR Purifying and Exfoliating Soap-Free Cleanser. So this is what it looks like. But this sample is super tiny. This has maybe 5 uses. I guess it's enough to find out whether you like this product or not, but can expect a little bit more. I'm going to Poland for 6 days, so maybe this will be enough to take with me away to Poland and try this out. See, this size might be useful for like a city break or something like that, somewhere that you're there for a few days but not too long and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. I really like cleansers anyway, so it's a good product. And the next thing that we have, oh Jesus, that's another face cleanser. So we have the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser with Fab Antioxidant Booster. So this is what it looks like. Now see, this size is way bigger than this size. So this is definitely going in my to be used pile. Definitely. So let me just read what it says here. So it removes surface oils, makeup, dirt and grime. It is safe for sensitive skin. And that's it. It's allergy tested and it's fragrance free. I've heard so much about First Aid Beauty, but I actually never got the chance to try the product. So I'm kind of excited to give this one a try. And it's definitely bigger than the other one. So props to LookFantastic for that. The next thing that we have is the Lancer Omega Hydrating Oil. Okay, here it says some more information. So this lightweight balancing oil with 10% ferment complex delivers essential hydration, fatty acids, polyphenols and antioxidants to the skin, promoting a softer, healthier looking complexion for all skin types. That's pretty cool. Let me check out the size. Okay, so this is how the product looks. I mean, it's not huge, but you don't use that much oil, I've had this one for literally ages and there's still like a quarter of it left, so they're not getting used that much. As in, maybe I use them every time I do my makeup, so that's, I'd say 3-4 times a week or so. And I still have, loads left. So I'm pretty sure this will last quite a long time. So it's really cool. Plus it looks kind of fancy. So I'm quite happy to try that. And the next thing that we have is the Doucce Freematic Highlighter. in the shade Sparked Ray. Well, this is how the highlighter looks. And let me just give this a little swatch. Okay, it's not super blinding as you can see. Can you see? Let me just put it maybe in a better place. There you go. It's not super blinding, it's actually quite subtle. So I wonder how this is going to look on the face, which I'm actually going to try now. So let me just dip into the product, tap out the excess, and I already have highlighter, so we'll see. The color is actually beautiful. It's very neutral, which kind of, you know, suits me. So it looks good on the face. So, you know, as usual, swatches don't really give justice to the products, so swatching them on the face with a brush, as you usually would, is the best way to see if a product performs well or not. And the last product in this month's box is the Kerastese Reflection Shampooing Multi Protector. Oh, I was reading the French. It's a multi-protecting shampoo for color treated or highlighted hair. Perfect! So this is how the product looks. That's very cool. The size is actually hefty as well. It's 80 milliliters, so it's quite good. You definitely get, I'd say, about 2-3 weeks of uses out of this. If you wash your hair as many times as I am, which is about 2 times a week. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Going in my travel pile, because I might take this somewhere on either of my holidays to try it out. So, and then I'll let you know, is it good, is it not, is it worth the money, because Kerastese is not a cheap brand. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, so let me just see how I like this box. So the highlighter, that's pretty cool. It looks gorgeous on my cheeks, so that's a yes. The shampoo, of course, I'm definitely gonna use it up. The First Aid Beauty Cleanser, yes, because I have never tried First Aid Beauty and I want to. The Filorga After Sun Cream, yes, and I am taking that on my holidays. The Lancer Oil, of course, I love oils because my skin is dry, so perfect. The only thing I'm kind of meh about is the SRV cleanser. It's so small, like, and I already have a cleanser here, so it would be nice to have a different product, like maybe, for example, a makeup product instead of this cleanser. So for me, I think this is a 5 out of 6 box. I would do without this, you know. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more LookFantastic unboxings. So yeah, thank you again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!